25 of November 2009, the border police and the police with a truck. I think they are trying to put down the part of the line.
There's work on the electricity down by the road. There's a police jeep, DCO jeep, border police. Okay.
I am the captain here.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Listen to me, okay?
I'm listening.
Thank you.
What's the problem here?
No problem.
There's no problem?
It's for the army.
Okay, but what's, I mean, why is the DCO and the army and the police, why are they all here?
Listen, man.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Listen, I'm talking to you, man.
I'm listening.
No, listen, look at me. Okay?
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm talking to you. Okay?
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
I am captain here. I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Okay? Respect me. I respect you.
Well, but you didn't answer my question. Like why is the
Now
army and the border police and the DCO here?
Okay. All the army close this place.
Why?
Army close this place.
Do you have an order?
Yes.
Okay, where's the order? Okay.
Okay. You get all, but not.
No, I can videotape. It's the law. I mean, I can continue to videotape.
I show you that you know. Okay.
Okay, if you have an order, I'd like to see the order. Do you see any of the workers? I mean, this guy.
Is he one of the workers?
No, I just started talking to him in Arabic and he was responding to me in Hebrew.
Oh. So the workers all ran away.
Yeah.
Police.
Okay, but the law
police.
says
The law
says that I can videotape. Yeah, it does.
The army close this place.
Okay, do you have an order?
No.
Okay, you need an order to
I have an order.
Is this a closed military
I have
zone?
an order, man.
Is this a closed military zone?
Yes. I have.
Can I see the order?
Yes.
Okay.
This policeman coming here, I show you.
Okay.
Not picture.
Okay.
Not picture.
No, it's the law. I can videotape. I'll call my lawyer.
I know it's legal.
We should call Judith from Yeshtin.
No.
You just keep photographing.
Okay.
I'll call you then. Yeah, we have a bunch of border police here. They're telling us that it's a closed military zone and you're not allowed to photograph or
You want to photograph?
But they have not shown us any
Not here.
paper.
Okay, when I see the area, when I see the closed military zone.
Listen, man.
No.
Now
Show me the closed military zone.
Now it's closed.
The police
You
is here
photograph from
next
there.
to me.
Show me the order, please.
תקשיב, תעבוד.
בוא, תסביר, זה הצו, כן? אוקיי, זה הצו, בסדר? הנה כל השטח הזה, זה השטח, בסדר? סגור.
Do you speak English?
תגיד לו, יש לו, זה השטח סגור, אוקיי?
All this,
בסדר?
Yeah.
you cannot be here, okay?
Okay.
It's the village.
יש לו 5 דקות,
Okay? You have 5 minutes.
יש לו 5 דקות, אוקיי? לעזוב את המקום.
I arrest you.
ממש מחוץ לצו.
Yeah.
Read here, Israel Defense Force,
But they
okay?
can't leave from here because it's the village. People live here.
No.
תיכנס לווילג', אני מאשר, תגיד לו.
Okay?
אין וילג' הוא כאן.
I don't ask you.
Taking this.
I say you. You live here.
Holy shit.
5 minutes, you are arrested. Okay?
No. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes on the clock. Arrest all.
Okay, let's call.
You and you. Arrest all.
You spoke with Hafiz, like they're clearly taking this stuff.
מחוץ לצו, לא לעמוד פה.
Like they're like undoing this and
You don't be
confiscating it.
here, you be there.
Okay.
You want to photograph?
Yeah.
There,
You're gonna call
not
Hafiz
here.
or-
Okay?
You call Hafiz. Did you speak with Judith?
Yeah, she said she's going to get on the phone and start making calls.
Man, I ask you very nicely.
You said 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes.
No. 5 minutes, you arrest.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, we'll move up
I have
there.
order, man. Okay?
Okay, because they're undoing the bolts, like, and are loading them onto a truck.
So they're just going to start with this one and move up the road to take all of them.
Some people are trying to stop the tractor, but they did it already.
At least I don't steal other people's equipment.
You're with me. Oh. Yes.
You're arresting me for
Yes.
what? Because you're stealing equipment?
No. Okay, yes. Listen, I ask you 5 minutes, you rule.
Yeah, why?
Okay?
No.
I arrest you now.
No, get out of here.
I arrest you.
No, I will. You don't have the right to take the camera. Wait, let me give the camera to somebody. Let me give the camera to somebody.
طب ليش انت بتقلع في الكهرباء ليش؟
The children and the women are doing the resistance. All children and women.
هو ملك النهار هذا ملك لهم البرج وخدتوه البرج وخدتوه رد السيارة وروح عنا خلاص روح
أترديش أنا عمل إسقاط أنا قبلت
Is loading up one of the electricity pylons. Hey Josh, I was just wondering, like, if the zoom on that camera is good enough, like, you might have already taken a picture, but of them, like, actually loading these pylons onto the truck. The truck loaded with 2 of the electricity pylons that had been set up in At-Tuwani is now driving out of the village. You can also see the power lines that are running to the Israeli settlements along the Israeli bypass road. These pylons holding up the electrical lines have been untouched. The only lines that are being taken down are the ones running into the Palestinian village of At-Tuwani.